Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am going to give you review about my favorite Blossom Culture Pro Express Range Detox Bamboo Charcoal Facial. It's my personal favorite as it detox my skin with simple 3 steps in just 30 minutes. It's formulated with activated bamboo charcoal. This formulation is immensely effective in enhancing the quality of skin as a result of deep cleansing. Bamboo charcoal contains carbon and various minerals that helps to draw out the dirt from the skin and oils that block our pores. This facial comes with aromatherapy essential oil which retain the moisture in the skin and tighten the skin pores. This facial kit comes with 5 packs. I already used 2. Today I am going to use the third one. This pack contains 3 things. First one is cleanser, second one is mask, and third is essential oil. For begin the facial, we require water, wet sponge, bowl, brush, headband and rose water. Let's start the facial. First I am using the cleanser. We need to cleanse the face with gentle massage for 2 minutes in the upward position. I am done with the 2-minute massage. Now I can clean it with wet sponge. Clean it thoroughly. Next I am using the charcoal mask. Mixing the mask with rose water. While mixing this face mask, make sure you mix it as soon as possible, as once charcoal get activated it become like jelly and it will not stick to your face. So mix it fast and apply it as soon as possible. I prefer to apply this mask through my finger. If you want, you can use the brush, but through finger you can apply it very fastly. Make sure you apply the thick layer. You can see I apply very thick layer all over the face and we can wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, my face mask got dry. You can see it coming like a layer. Now we can remove it. Now I remove the entire mask and I will clean my face with the wet towel. You can see the brightness and freshness in my face. And I am feeling my skin become so soft. Now we can go for third and last step, which is essential oil. Take the essential oil in hand and gently massage for nicely 3 minutes. So it will absorb in our skin and retain the moisture in skin. This mini facial is my personal favorite and I recommend this facial to my clients who don't have time and want the glow as professional range full facial. Thank you Blossom Culture for such a lovely facial kit. Bye bye guys. See you with another product review.